It's like I go from being very nice, like you're seeing me here, to being, let's get it done. My name is Lynn McMurray. I work at Lie-Nielsen Tool Works, and I'm in charge of the polish shop. The polish shop does many things. A lot of times when people hear the word polish, they think it's just to make something look shiny and beautiful, which that is a big part of what we do. But we do a lot of roughing out to prepare for the CNCs. When a casting comes in, they might have a date on it. It sticks out and stuff, so you got to get rid of that bump so it's smooth, so that when it goes in to the CNC, they can clamp it properly. And then it comes back to us, and then we'll make it really pretty. Yeah, it's a physical job. You know, there are days your hands, you come in first and it's like your hands are stiff. It's non-stop with your hands all day long. So it gets your shoulders and your elbows and your hands. But if you do it properly, you'll be okay. I've been doing this for 15 years and I'm still going. You usually catch that CD, which is a casting defect, at the fine wheel or basically the buffing stage. So you're almost done and poof, it comes out. And then you gotta CD it and we go from there. And you know, and in my head, it's like, okay, we're behind, okay, but come on you guys, let's go. We need to have 16 more. And you know, we gotta get 16 more good ones. It's not like you fail and say, whatever, that's good enough. No, it's like, I want 50. So we gotta move. So I get a little feisty when they don't meet, you know, if we don't meet schedule, because I know that schedule means every tool that we put on there basically needs to go out the door. So when it's not, when we don't meet it or something, whew, I'm not a happy camper. I want every tool, I don't care if I've done 3 million of them, I want every tool to go out to that customer perfect, because they deserve it, because without the customer, we're nothing. We're definitely a unique place. I really believe that. You know, and you know, I think everybody here takes pride in, this is all made in the USA. You know, you have to feel really good about that. How do I say this to you? This isn't just a job to me. People would probably say I'm obsessed with it. I want Tom to be happy with my work. I want this facility to be happy with my work. And most of all, I want the customers to say, wow, this is nice, you know? And that's all I think about, is making sure that Tom's doing well and our customers are doing well. Well, I know if things are moving good, our customer's gonna get that tool real fast, you know what I mean? And it's a great pride. I know if I do my part, I'm helping sell a tool, you know, and that's money coming into the company and a customer very, very happy. And that's what means the most to me. You gotta love it. You know, life is short, and you know, make the best of everything you do.
If you could have 90 Lyns, would you?
If I could have 90 Lyns, I would only need 30. That's the truth.